Hello everyone, this question appears in Class 6 NCERT chapter of Understanding Elementary Shapes. This is first question of its exercise 5.6. So the question says that name the types of following triangle. So part A is triangle with lengths of sides 7, 8 and 9 centimeter. So all sides are different. So हो जाएगा हमारा scale in triangle. Part B is triangle ABC with 8 sides AB 8.7, AC 7 centimeter and BC 6 centimeter. All sides are again different. So हो जाएगा हमारा scale in triangle. Part C is triangle PQR such that PQQR and PRR is equal to 5 centimeters. So all sides are equal. So ये जाएगा हमारा equilateral triangle. D. Triangle DEF with angle D is equal to 90. So ये जाएगा right angled triangle. What is triangle XYZ with angle Y 90 degree and XY equal to YZ. So ये जाएगा right angled, एक एंगल हमारा right angle है. So ये जाएगा right angled आइसोसेलेस ट्राइंगल बिकॉज ऑफ इसकी टू साइड्स भी सेम है. सो आइसोसेलेस ट्राइंगल भी है एंड वन एंगल राइट एंगल है. तो राइट एंगल आइसोसेलेस ट्राइंगल. एंड पार्ट एफ इज ट्राइंगल LMN with angle L equal to 30 degree, M equal to 70 degree and N equal to 80 degree. So all angles are acute angles. So हो जाएगा हमारा acute angled triangle. Thank you.